Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to close all apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to swipe upwards from the bottom of your screen. This gesture is essential as it opens up your recent apps view, allowing you to see everything that's currently running in the background. When you perform this swipe, make sure to do it smoothly and completely to ensure the App Manager opens properly. Once you swipe up, the App Manager will appear on your screen. This interface displays all the apps you've recently used or that are still active in the background. You'll see them arranged in a card-like format, which makes it easy to navigate through your open applications. This view is really useful because it gives you a visual overview of everything that's consuming your device's resources. Now, you'll need to slide to the right through this App Manager interface. Keep swiping until you reach the very end of your open apps. At the end of this list, you'll see a Clear All button. This button is specifically designed to close every single app that's running in the background at once, which is much faster than closing each app individually. It's a great way to free up memory and improve your phone's performance, especially if you've had multiple apps open for a while. Once you spot the Clear All button, go ahead and click it. This action will immediately close all your open applications simultaneously. You'll notice that all the app cards disappear from your screen, confirming that every background app has been shut down. This helps your Pixel 8 Pro run more smoothly and can even extend your battery life since apps won't be consuming power in the background anymore. And that's it. You've now cleared all your running apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, giving your device a fresh start and optimizing its performance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.